Hello children, I am Lakshmi. I am going to tell you a story of Meetu and the yellow mango. In this story, we have a green parrot, a big crow, a yellow mango and a red balloon. Come on children, let's enjoy the story. Meetu was a parrot, a green parrot with a red beak. One day, Meetu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. Once there was a parrot and his name was Meetu. Meetu was green in color and had red beak. One day, when Meetu was flying up in the sky, he noticed a big yellow mango tree. Meetu liked mangoes. I want to eat that yellow mango, he said. He flew down to the tree. Caw, caw, go away, this is my tree, said a voice. Meetu looked up. He saw a big black crow. Caw, caw, go, go, the crow shouted. He had a very loud voice. Meetu was afraid of the crow. He flew away. Then what happened was Meetu wanted to eat that mango. So he flew down to the tree. That time he saw a big black crow sat on the tree, and the crow immediately started shouting at the Meetu, saying that go away from the place. Meetu got scared and he flew away from that place. Meetu saw a red balloon. It was under a tree. He had an idea. He picked up the red balloon. He was careful not to burst it. He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Meetu went behind the tree. He pricked that balloon with red beak. Pop! The balloon blast. It made a loud noise. Then what happened was, while flying, Meetu saw a red balloon flying under a tree. That time an idea flashed into his mind. So he immediately flew down and carefully picked up the red balloon. And he went behind the tree where the crow was sitting. And he carefully pricked that red balloon with his red beak. Pop! The balloon blasted with the loud sound. Caw! Said the crow, and he flew off the tree. Caw, caw! A gun is after me, said the crow. He flew away. He never came back to the tree. After hearing the sound, the crow thought that some hunter with a gun was about to shoot him. So he got scared and he flew away from the mango tree. Meetu came to the tree. He ate the big yellow mango. Emmy, Emmy, what a nice mango, he said. He was very happy. Clever Meetu. Now Meetu was very happy and he went towards the yellow mango tree and he enjoyed the yummy, juicy, sweety mango. Since Meetu is very clever, he played a trick on the crow to take that yellow mango. The story is written by Chitra Narendran. Children, I hope you enjoyed this story a lot, isn't it? Take care.